Southeastern Montane County in north-central Texas, northeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, northern Denton County in north-central Texas, southern Cook County in north-central Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Elmwood, or 10 miles north of Decatur, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, public. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Kyle around 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Prairie Point, Ralston, Greenwood, Roadrunner, Valley View, Noyes, Lake Ray Roberts, Bolivar, Ura, and Slidell. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 475 and 499. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.